I'm just gonna start by taking this drywall off, take this trim off, this trim, cutting this up half on a stud, and removing this drywall so I can see what's going on back there and make sure I can do my nailers for when I put the drywall back. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use my handy trim removal tool. I really want to see what they used for a header here. I'm just gonna make a plumb line like this, just back here, and there should be a header in here, so I should get something solid here anyways. I'll take this cover off so I can get the drywall out around this outlet, or this switch, I should say. I'm gonna use a Sawzall or a reciprocating saw. You can use whatever you want. Yeah, you don't typically see it built this way, but the header is a 2x8, and then they bump this down for the doorway. Usually you do it kind of like this, header, and then cripples, but I guess that works too. And I'll just clean these studs up. And I'll clean this up. I'm going to put this cover back on just because. Then I'm going to carefully take these wires, or these wire staples out, and that way I'll be able to move this so I can get my wall in there. So for now, I'll just hang this out of the way, and I've cleaned up my floor.